Assalamu alaikum dear students. Hope you all are fine. Today we are going to do the exercises on page number 161 from your student book. Exercise D. Learn character analysis. You have to analyze the character for knowing about the story. When you read a story, it's important to think about the character. Whenever you are reading the story, first you have to analyze the character, who the character is. Okay, then what do the characters say and how they feel. What character is saying in the story and how they are feeling is the most important to think in the story. How do they act towards the other people? How they are acting or behaving with other people? How they are reacting, interacting with other person? Then, what do they learn throughout the story? And at the end, we have to see what character is learning about the story, in the story, what they are learning about the story. Okay, then understanding the characters can help you follow the story's plot and learn more about its meaning. Plot means the way story is written, the way they are briefing the story, the way they are telling the story is story plot. The means the main idea of the story is story's plot. So after understanding the character, you have to understand the story's plot, means main idea of the story, and you have to learn about the characters and its meaning, story's meaning. Okay, then for doing this exercise, you have to read this short story and answer these 3 questions. First of all, we are going to read this story. Mimosa Chippequik was no ordinary girl. She was no ordinary girl. She was an extra intelligent, you can say extra intelligent, or not a normal girl as we are or as we see in our life. She had bright orange hair that flopped over her eyes. She was having bright orange colored hair which were flopping over her eyes, which make her difficult to see anything, making it difficult for her to see. As a result, she often tripped and fell over. And in the result, what happened? She always fell over, or she is being tripped. This made the other kids laugh. For this action, other kids were laughing at her, and Mimosa was frequently embarrassed. She feels embarrassed. I must be strange, she thought. No wonder no one likes me. She thought, I am strange, I am changed from other girls, and no one likes her. Mimosa lived with elderly aunt who enjoyed dressing her in long green gowns. Mimosa lived with her auntie who liked her in dressing like she wears green long gowns. Her aunt had once been a great dancer. Her auntie was a dancer once upon a time, and Mimosa loved to hear her tell stories. Mimosa liked to hear her auntie's stories. Mimosa wished she could dance. Mimosa also wanted to be a dancer. She liked to dance, but she was afraid to try. She was not trying to dance because she was afraid of the pupil because everyone was laughing at her. As Mimosa got older, she learned to braid her orange hair. When she grew up, she learned how to braid her orange hair. Then she grew into her long green gowns and stopped tripping over things. When she grew up, she comes to know how to wear long green gowns and how to stop tripping over the things. And then she even became graceful and discovered that she did have a talent for dancing. When she grew up, she became a graceful girl and discovered that she can do anything. She have a dancing talent. So people began to think of Mimosa as special instead of strange. Okay, hope you understand this line. Eventually, she realized they were right. And finally, she realized that she or other people were right. She was really a special girl. She was not an ordinary girl. She had talent of dancing. So now we are going to do these 3 questions. Question number 1. What are 3 things that Mimosa thinks or feel? In my point of view, I'm saying you can write in your own words your own answers. Number 1, she thinks that no one likes her. Number 2, she feels embarrassed. Number 3, she thinks that she must be strange. Okay, you can write your answers from reading this, after reading this. Number 2, what do these things tells you about Mimosa? What do you think by these 3 things how Mimosa was? So, in my point of view, she was a shy girl. She was afraid of trying new things. You can answer in your way. Okay? And number 3, what does Mimosa learn? At the end, what Mimosa learned? She learned how to braid her orange hair and how to be a confident girl, or how to show your talent in front of people, or how to be a graceful girl, or how to be a graceful personality. Okay, hope you understand this paragraph and you can now answer these questions in your own words. Now we are going to do exercise E, words in context. This exercise we will write in our fair copy. Okay, or in your any copy. It's better to write in your fair copy. So number 1 is briefly, number 2 is chattering, number 3 is gripped, number 4 is removing, number 5 is staff, number 6 is waving. I'm telling you the meaning of these words. How you write in your copy? First you have to write unit 16, then topic name, and then words meaning. Okay, so number 1 is briefly. Briefly means in short. Okay, number 2 is chattering. Chattering means gossips or talk. Gripped. Gripped means to hold something. Number 4 is removing. Removing means taking off. Number 5 is staff. Staff means worker or employee. Number 5 is waving. Waving means moving hand in the air. Okay, hope you understand these exercises. You are clear now. Now we are going to do exercise 16, get ready words. On page number 150 from your workbook. Okay, so exercise A is find these words in the puzzles. We have done this exercise in our class. Hopefully you all have done this exercise. I am not doing this exercise. You can do by yourself at your home. This is easy exercise you can do by yourself. Exercise B is look at the pictures, complete sentences. Nocturnal, uncontrollable, upright, twinkle. In first lecture, I have told you the meaning of these words. Number 1, my friend was laughing uncontrollably. Number 2, an owl is a nocturnal bird who cannot sleep at night. Nocturnal means who cannot sleep at night. Number 3, please put up the box means upright the box. Number 4, the stars twinkle in the night sky. So it is enough for today. Stay blessed, stay healthy, stay home. Thank you so much.